now, instead of locking the keys, going to the home app. I've locked it, so it's jammed though, but I think it's just locked because now I can't. Hello, this is my review for the Nuki smart lock, and I found the problem there. I don't trust it enough to put it outside of my door. That's ridiculous. They're asking you to screw it on top of the little bits of the lock that are out there and stick it with a sticker. And that's actually not what is advertised on the box. On the box it says it needs to be put inside. But inside what we have is grub screw thumb turn, but it's really thick. Therefore I need to actually create my own part from copper, and I took a small copper tube and just bended it around